In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Slack Huddle self-documenting with AI Notes. Start by going to the Slack site and opening your workspace. This walkthrough assumes you are already logged in, so you should land directly on your main Slack dashboard, with your workspace navigation visible on the left side of the screen. In the left sidebar, find the channel where you want to start the huddle. For this walkthrough, click the General channel. Wait for the channel to open in the main area, and make sure you are viewing the channel conversation. Now look at the top right area of the channel header. Near the member count avatar, click Huddle. A Huddle window opens in the bottom left corner of Slack. In that small Huddle window, you should see your name, along with the microphone icon, the camera icon, and the screen share icon. Before turning on notes, check the microphone icon at the bottom of the Huddle window. The microphone must not have a slash through it. If you see a slash, click the microphone icon once to unmute yourself. This matters because Slack needs audio in the Huddle in order to create the transcript and notes. Next, go to the top left of the Huddle window and click AI Notes Off. A drop-down menu opens. In that drop-down, click Start AI Notes and Transcription. Do not move on immediately. First, confirm that the label changes from AI Notes Off to AI Notes On. Once it says AI Notes On, the Huddle is ready to capture and document what happens. Now move to the Huddle thread on the right side of the screen. Click into the reply box. Paste the prepared long script for the Q4 launch sync. This script should include the agenda, the decision, and the action items for the demo. After the text is pasted into the reply box, send the message into the thread. With the Huddle still open and AI Notes turned on, speak out loud for about 15 seconds. Say, "Quick sync on the Q4 launch." Full notes are in the thread. Here are the highlights. Keep your voice clear and continue speaking long enough for Slack to capture usable audio. Now stay inside the Huddle until the total Huddle time reaches at least 45 seconds. Do not leave right away because Slack needs enough audio time to process the conversation and generate the documentation. Keep the Huddle open while Slack continues capturing the session. Once at least 45 seconds have passed, go back to the Huddle window and click Leave. The Huddle closes and a system message appears in the channel conversation. In the channel, find the Huddle message that was just created. Attached to that message, click Huddle Notes, followed by the date in the general canvas. The canvas opens and shows the documentation Slack generated from the Huddle. Inside the canvas, look for the main sections. You should see Attendees, Summary, Action Items, and the Huddle Transcript section. Scroll through the Summary section first so the generated recap is visible. Then scroll through the Action Items section so the extracted follow-ups are visible as well. At the bottom of the canvas, click Huddle Transcript. This expands the full transcript with timestamps. The transcript shows the spoken content from the Huddle in a readable format. At this point, anyone in the channel can read the recap and the transcript from the Huddle. The Huddle has now documented itself with AI Notes. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now start a fresh Huddle in the same channel. Go back to the top right of the channel header and click Huddle again. When the Huddle window opens in the bottom left corner, go to the top left of that Huddle window and click the AI Notes dropdown again. This time, in the drop-down menu, click Always Take AI Notes. After selecting that option, every Huddle started in the General channel will turn AI Notes on automatically. That means you will not need to manually enable AI Notes each time you start a Huddle in that channel. To finish, click Leave in the Huddle window. The second Huddle closes, and the setup is complete.